This bright and beautiful flower graces my garden, but few know how amazing this simply gorgeous flower is. Native to Mediterranean countries, calendula bloom constantly throughout the growing season, provides a spectacular display of light yellow to deep orange blooms from early summer until frost. This aromatic plant is one of the earliest cultivated flowers known. Calendula has been used for medicinal purposes since at least as far back as the 12th century, primarily as a topical application to boost the healing rate of wounds and prevent infection. Calendula has been used to treat stomach upset and ulcers. Herbalists have long used calendula for skin health as the plant heals skin diseases and microbial infections. Now that you have learned the amazing benefits of calendula, grow your own and take advantage of its health benefits and enjoy long-lasting blooms in your garden. Happy gardening!